very sorry that I haven't been on in like ages, like months, because like since summer started, I've been very busy, like doing all this stuff around the house. Mostly big, so yeah. Mostly, I always say mostly. Okay, saying that word again. So, guys, we are playing this game called Time Traveler's Adventures. This gamey thingy bobber, and I don't know how to play. So, just gonna sure, let's go to Sub-Zero. Oh, I just walk. Oh my gosh, Scott, I love your head. Okay, what just happened? So, I know. Oh, yay! We're playing Time Traveler Adventures. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm not cheap, so. Okay, where are we at? What do we do? Brr! It's very cold. Oh my god, I didn't know that because we're in the ice. We landed in the wrong area. No dirt. North America, 17,000 years ago. I hope it's safe here. Sure. What the? What is? Oh, why did I say what the? What is that? Avalanche. Is everyone okay? No, I didn't know what happened. Oh no, look. All our gear is gone. I don't have so many robots, I only have one, so I used it all, so. Sorry. We need to start a fire, or we will freeze. Go, go, go. Find small. Is this like a story? Can I like this one? May I have these flowers? May I take them? Oh my god, do we seriously go back, forward, back? This is just confusing. Save me. Like, oh, I got it up. I worked so hard just to get a log. Now I have to like, yay, we get to sit by the campfire. Oh, I get water. Ew, that's not supposed to happen. Drink water. What's that? The tea is happening, people. That sounds so cheesy. Okay, what's happening now? Oh my gosh! Look at his face! Oh my god, he's so cut! He's so crying! Oh, it just says find some logs for fire. Matt? Guy, don't go. Okay, just see. Oh my god! Yes! You be you! Shout out to everyone that's playing with me, like, thanks. Oh, look at my character! I don't look like trash anymore! Run where? Oh, following him. Yeah, he's not even going after us, but like, sure. If I like don't follow you. What if like, if I don't follow him? Or like, that person, do I still die? I'm good at parkour. Never mind, I'm good at parkour. I'm okay at parkour, but that guy's just like, okay, I don't want to get copied. Right? But like, I'm just singing a song. So, why do people get copyrighted for like just singing? Like, it's not the song. You're just singing the song without playing the song. Get inside quickly! That guy was just standing. How's everyone? Oh no, Haven! See, it's theirs. I just have a random log. I took a seat. Dennis, the Yeti is back at the entry. Oh, get a bow. I know what we can do. Is he going to kill us all? No. Get a bow. He left. He must have been warning us. He must have been warning us? We should stay inside for the night. It's not safe. Out there, you mean? It's safe in here, then why can't we be outside? Let me walk. I need my boba. Comment down below if you know what boba is. If you do, then like this video. And if you don't, still like this video. Mostly just like this video. And subscribe if you know what boba is and like it. Just like this video. Because I haven't been posting forever. We need this core to repair the teleporter. Sorry, I can't read. They said they will tell us. It is. What? If we gather some supplies, we know. And this YouTube video is going on. A lot of people talk. This YouTube video is not ending well. Shoot and kill it. Yeah, what? I'm so confused. You know what? I already have a bow. Okay. Good. Okay, I'm so confused. This YouTube video is not ending well. Here's Bunny. I didn't give you anything, I just gave you a bow. Here's a log as well. Why? I'm just gonna introduce him. So this is Denson. Hope that's how you say his name. I don't know how. Topher. Oh God, I love your head. Okay. And Alberto. Alberto, you can kick it. The caveman said the core is in the vault. And where is that? But to get inside the vault, we need a key. How do we bang? No, we need a key. Find a key in the lake, but beware, it's very cold. Well, there it's gonna be cold. I'm trying to be smart aleck here. But there's ice everywhere. Hello? Why do we not? Oh, sorry, the voice cracked. Didn't find anything. I didn't find anything. Slowly dying over here. Thanks. Why are you running from me? I'm trying to give you the flippin' key. I still have 100 coins. Someone has 170. How? 170 coins. Oh. I wonder what you did. I wonder. Follow me. Follow me where? Where are we going? Oh, that guy just flew. Are you a hobbit? Wait, if you're a hobbit. Oh. We must get such. They don't know what we're doing. He just said we must go inside and retrieve the core. Retrieve the core. I'm so sorry that I can't read today. I'm dying. Summer makes you dumb. Okay, no, I cannot. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind, I actually cannot do it. Never mind. I'm stupid. Sorry that I thought I could do parkour, even though I actually really can't. Let's just do some slow music. Oh my God, my phone. I dropped my phone. are like blocking your space. So like that. Okay, that happened. Hello. Oh, thanks for letting me die myself. Sorry, but not happening. Ah. So, my week was so I don't have Robux. If I wanted to live, I would like have like. I'm not rich. I'm sorry. I'm not one of those kids who like buy all what they want. It's not trying to be rude. It's funny, but like you're my favorite YouTuber, but like I love you. But like stop buying you guys Robux. You're wasting your money on your life savings. So like, why do I sound like Miranda sings? What the heck? Why did I sound like Miranda? Mostly, yeah. Oh my god, I sound like Miranda sings. Oh my god, my voice just stopped working. I gotta put the clothes on. So, not a Christian channel, and I do not like looking at bad things. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Oof, am I going? I'm going. The oddest video I've ever made in my life. Buffy. Okay, back to the same place you were. Ooh, what the heck? It's a boat. Ahoy, welcome to Wild Seas. Why do I talk like that? Caribbean Sea. Are you ready for a grand adventure? What is it? I wonder if I say Hong Kong. This game is Hong Kong. If you die. If you die one, you won't be coming back. Okay? Okay, capiche? Welcome to Skull whatever that is. So we did that. And you're gonna need a gun. Can I just that real like dark? I'll take one. I don't have Robux. Oh wait. Never mind. Remember, no venture be the same. Remember, no venture be the same. What does that mean? Little hinge. Oh my god, this video is so long. Like, oh my god, it's a storm. Oh my god. By the way, guys, I might like continue this like thing. I might create a series of like do random big games and then really stupid. Like, so yeah. This is the old SeaWorld. Yep. Oh my god, this video is like 30 minutes long. Good, no. Good work. I couldn't read. I'm so fast. Why do I sound like Miranda sing? What is wrong with my life? I'm just gonna drink some more, like, to cool me down. Best ASMR, right? Why is his name is Guy? Montgomery, what is